Stretch goal 2, delete/edit lists. As a user, I want to be able to remove items from my list or change the order of the items. Okay, let's go back to our project. So we already have an add button. I think we need like an edit button over here. So we want to put bar button item. Put it over here. Change the words to edit open assistant editor. And let's connect it to our code. So we'll control drag it there. And yes, it's an action because it's a button, right? And then we'll call this like edit button pressed. Okay. So now we want some things to happen in here. And what do we need? We need self dot, I think we call this shopping table view. The attribute, yeah, it's called it is editing. So we pretty much are going to toggle the state. Are we in an editing menu or are we not in an editing menu? So is editing accepts a bool value of true or false, right? But we'll have shopping table view that is editing, and then we'll set that equal to not. Then pretty much the same thing, right? So we're toggling the state, right? And then from there we can take the title. So the sender, the title of the sender, right? And we can set that equal to same thing. So if it's equal to editing, it'll say edit. If it's equal to editing, then it will say edit. If it's not equal, the title will not say edit, it will say something else. So we can have it say, how about done or edit. I think that is about it. That should just bring up the edit menu. So now let's go back over to our code, and we need to add two functions. We need to add a function that helps the cells move, and then we need a function that will help with the deleting action. So the function for the cells to move is called, I think it's called editing, editing style. In the code, we're going to do an if statement. And this is editing style. So this is actually to delete. This is to delete the cells. So we'll do if editing style, right? So if the editing style is equal to delete, then items, which is a horrible identifier because item is a keyword and you'll see that later. But items dot remove okay. So items dot remove, and then we're gonna do it at the index path. So pretty much the array. And that's gonna be dot item. So in this case, this is a keyword item, whereas I used items as my identifier in my array. Bad idea. And I really should have been considerate of that beforehand, but I wasn't. Shame on me. So then last but not least, we have a our shopping table view, right? Dot delete rows. Yep. Delete rows at, and then we can do it at the index path, which this needs to be the array. With, this will be automatic. So, okay, I think we need a dot. Awesome. So that like deletes the rows, and if we want to run it to see, bread, juice, juice. So we can edit our menu now, and now we can delete them. See? Okay. You click the red guy to delete them, right? But we can go with done, and then we can add more here if we want. Milk. Okay. So now, last but not least, we need to be able to reorder them. So there's another function. Okay, there's another function, and that function is called move. What is it? Yeah, this one. Move row at. One of these handy dandy functions here in Xcode. Which is amazing, right? So we'll say let and this will be move cell. I guess I'll say that, yeah. So let move cell equal the items. Source index path. Sweet. Dot again item, which is different from items because Item is referring to a keyword, an integer value within an array, but it's built into Xcode. Whereas I used items as my keyword, and yeah, not good. Items dot remove, and then we can have that removed at the source path. Dot item. All right, and then we'll do another one called items dot insert. So the new element will be the moved cell. We'll insert that moved cell at destination index path dot item. Okay, let's run this and see. Alright, let's go to the edit menu. Yeah, I can delete, but I'm not going to do that. Oh, see, we have our little dilly there to move it. So we're done with that. That's sweet. Alright, moving on.